it's best to keep ROTARY. That spells Rotary.
A very warm good evening to one and all. Myself, Dr. Arya Jaikesh,
And I'm Shreya Adib.
and we will be your MCs for the evening. Born on the Platinum Jubilee year of Rotary International, the Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown was sponsored by Rotary Club of Calicut East, with Rotarian G.D. Prabhu as a Governor's Special Representative. A vibrant club with a strength of 27 members, headed by Rotarian Dr. M.G. Sahadevan as a Charter President, and Rotarian Abdul Hamid as a Charter Secretary, was chartered on the 29th of August 1980. Over the years, our club has done innumerable community projects, including matching grant and global grant projects. Some of our landmark projects are the foot overbridge at the Medical College, installation of the automatic external defibrillator at the Calicut railway station, and upgradation of the present Rotary ICU to become the first negative pressure ICU in the public sector in India. We were also the first all PHF club in Calicut region. We have sponsored clubs such as the Rotary Club of Calicut Central, the Rotary Club of Kalpata, Rotary Club of Perintalmanna, and Rotary Club of Kondoti. In the midst of all these projects and community services, we enjoy our friendship and fellowship, making Rotary Calicut Midtown an excellent, immensely close-knit family club. However, the feather in our cap is the unanimous election of our Rotarian Dr. Rajesh Subhash as the Charter DG of 3204. And today, it is with immense pride and pleasure we welcome you all to the 41st installation ceremony of the Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown.
This installation meeting is hereby called to order.
Now, may I request you all to kindly rise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Now, the Rotary prayer and the four-way test.
O God, creator of all things, Father of mankind, we thank Thee for inspiring a founder with the principles of Rotary, based on high ideas of morality. We implore Thee to help us, Rotarians, to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill people, so that all individuals, all families, and all nations may live in amity and fellowship and unite around thy holy feet. Our one true, eternal and all loving Father.
The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned?
The RI theme for the year 2021-22 will now be presented.
To live for others, to care for others, to serve others and change their lives is the best way to live our own lives. Special focus this year will be on empowering girls. We will serve all children, but our focus will be specially on the girl. There are many issues that the girls face in different parts of the world, and you as leaders will ensure that we try and mitigate the disadvantage of the girl that they may have. Dear Changemaker governors, ending polio, fighting COVID, working on large impactful projects and increasing our membership to a never before 1.3 million. The task ahead is challenging, and that should excite you. Rotarians love challenges. A ship is safe in the harbor, but that is not what ships are meant for. They need to go out in the high seas. Life, my dear changemakers, is about adventure and not maintenance. Let me end with what I have penned for our theme. The biggest gift we are given is the power to touch a life, to change, to make a difference in the circle of life. If we can reach out with our hands, heart and soul, the magic will begin to happen as the wheel begins to roll. Let's turn the wheel together so all humanity thrives. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change lives. At this moment, I urge you, wherever you are seated, to put your hand on your heart and pledge with me. We have the power and the magic to serve, to change lives. So my dear change makers, are you ready? Are you ready for the big challenges? Are you ready to serve? Are you ready to change lives? I am, and I'm sure you are too. Together, let us serve to change lives.
May I now call upon the President-elect, Rotarian PHF Adib Salim, to welcome the gathering.
Good evening, dear all. Pre-COVID or COVID, the true spirit of Rotarians still continues to serve the public. It is a privilege and pleasure to welcome you all. We begin with welcoming our President, Rotarian PHF, Arun KS, and our incoming President, Rotarian PHF, Srijit Kalathal. Welcoming our District Governor, Rotarian Major Donor, Dr. Rajesh Subhash. Our respected PDGs, Rotarian Past District Governor, Major Donor Darius Marshall, Rotarian Past District Governor, Major Donor Dr. C.M. Abubakar, Rotarian Past District Governor, Major Donor Sridharan Nambiyar. Welcoming our respective District Governor-elect, Rotarian Major Donor Pramod Nayanar, District Governor nominee, Rotarian PHF Dr. Sethu Shivashankar, Assistant Governor, Rotarian PHF Mehroof Menalodi, and all other AGs. Our fellow Rotarians, aunts, aunts of our Midtown Club and our sister clubs. And last but never the least, our important guests. Once again, I welcome you all. Thank you.
Let us now have a recap of the club activities undertaken during the past year. May I request Secretary Rotarian PHF Farzan Marshall to present the annual report.
Respected President Arun, DG Rajesh Subhash, DG Rotarian Pramod Nayanar, DGN Rotarian Dr. Sedu, PDGs, AG Mayorov, Rotarians of sister clubs, and my fellow Rotarians, Anns, Annettes, and invited guests. Secretary's report for the year 2020-21.
We started our year with virtual installation ceremony took place in the month of July 2020. Rotarian Arun was installed as the president. He succeeded Rotarian Ashwin Simon. The newly installed president installed his secretary, treasurer and other board members. Our team for the year 2020-2021. On the occasion of World Nature Conservation Day, our President Arun has planted a tree sapling as advised by our District Governor Harikrishna Nambiar on first day of new Rotary year. On July 1st, at the beginning of the Rotary year, we respected the doctors and chartered accountant members in our Rotary family. This pandemic has seen so many doctors work round the clock to try to bring the world back to normalcy. These frontline warriors need to be thanked and respected. We took up this opportunity on Doctors' Day and paid gratitude to all the doctors of our Midtown family with a memento. On occasion of CA Day, we honored CA for their dedicated works. This year, we had 11 board meetings, 11 club assemblies. We had 9 speaker meetings throughout the year. Our speakers include actress Miss Steffi Leon, Miss Madhurya, dietitian, Dr. Neha, Rotarian Jyoti Singh Dio, Rotarian Roshan Kainadi, and Commander Vijaya Varma. And we also conducted combined meetings. Our brighter Annettes were also given an opportunity to put forth their views on their entire COVID pandemic through a debate. Each one of them had a very interesting topics to talk upon. Our projects for the year 2020-2021 included 100 plants donation. We donated automatic sanitizer mission to Kozhikode Police Office. Deputy Commissioner Sujit Das received from President Arun. Charter Night. This year marked the 40th Charter Night. Though it was conducted virtually, our President and I visited all our past presidents' house in before the virtual event and honored them with a memento. The evening virtual celebration was made memorable, highlighting unforgettable moments for their presidential terms. August 1st week is celebrated as Breastfeeding Awareness Week. Every year we do this project together with Midtown Innerville. This year also together we made a video for breastfeeding awareness in hospitals in Calicut. On the occasion of our president's birthday, he sponsored one-day meal to an old age home in Calicut. Captain P.V. Vikraman parents are part of our club. We were honored to pay our respect during the Kargil Victory Day celebration. Engineers are persons who discover the world by their pen and brain. We are proud to honor our senior most member, Rotarian architect Abdul Hamid. Drinking water tank were donated to needy family. On the occasion of Independence Day, Calicut Midtown has done flag hoisting ceremony at Sugirdham home. We donated LED television to the poor student to help them for their online school studies. Nation Builder Award 2020 was presented to 3 eminent teachers of St. Joseph Anglo-Indian Girls School and Calicut Girls. WINS Project. Step of hand washing were demonstrated virtually in various schools in Calicut. Students were informed about the benefits of hand wash. The video was extremely grateful since such kind of information is really helpful for both students as well as for teachers in prevention and fight against the COVID pandemic. International Day of Older Person is observed on October 1st every year. We had visited old age home in Calicut and also honored elderly person. Teachers' Day. A teacher is like a candle who lights the lives of young minds. On September 5th, we took the opportunity to thank teachers for their selfless service towards young children. We honored them with a memento and acknowledged their efforts. Rope Project. Under the ROPE project of District 3202, we handed over automatic sanitizer machines, masks and sanitizer stands to Kozhikode Commissioner Office. Corona awareness boards were kept at public places. The Home of Love in Calicut is an institute which works to serve and care for the destitute and sick. The club distributed medicine, sanitizer, masks, gloves, cleaning agents. The inmates of the old age home were very happy to receive these kits. Contributed Bluetooth loudspeaker to COVID-19 center. The purpose is to give announcement and play music for them to their stress. We donated cloths, sweets and candles on the occasion of Festival of Lights. We distributed food kits to the 5 needy families. Our club helped a cancer patient for his chemotherapy treatment. 4-way test promotion. We kept 4-way test promotion board at Calicut Medical College Footover Bridge with our Rotary logo. The Feed a Family project carried out by Calicut Midtown in partnership with Inner Wheel of Midtown. It is a food palliative project aimed at feeding the poor in society due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the economic hardship. We as a club decided to feed over 24 families by distributing food kits. On the occasion of World Polio Day, our club displayed polio eradication awareness banner at Kozhikode Beach Hospital. Our club has set up an organic farming at Kundiathod Orphanage. The purpose of the project was to promote and get a benefit on organic farming and tree plantation. We donated wet grinder for the benefit of around 25 inmates in old age home at Calicut. We distributed cotton bags in various departmental stores in Calicut to spread awareness on how they should stop using single-use plastic and also its harmful effects on your environment. This project was inaugurated by our Assistant Governor Dr. Mohammed Hassan. This event also helped us to promote Rotary as who we are and what we do. Rotary Calicut Midtown supported Pulse Polio Immunization Program at Calicut Kottaparambhu Hospital. District Governor Sambashiva Rao inaugurated the function. President Arun was presided and Rotarian Jain Kumar, Ward Councillor, District Medical Officer, staffs of Kottaparambhu Hospital were also attended the function. And we also did the program at Calicut Railway Station and Mofussil Bus Stand. We also distributed food. A medical camp was organized for 1 month at PBS Hospital. It was association with Rotary Calicut Midtown. It's a free evening clinic in medicine, surgery and pediatrics. Calicut Midtown have partnered with auto drivers to install safety partition just behind the driver's seat. This will act as a protective barrier for restricting contact and to facilitate social distancing between drivers and riders for making travel safer in the new normal. We have distributed the safety partition in many auto stands in Calicut. We were also a part of multi-dist fellowship meet in Calicut. It's a fellowship meet for COVID combat drivers from RI District 3190 and 3182 at Marina Residency, Calicut. We the members always try to contribute towards the community in every possible way. Calicut Midtown handed over 4 sewing machines to the jailer sub-jail Kozhikode. Oxygen for All project. We also contributed towards Oxygen for All project. We also had 4 physical meetings, which includes Welcome 2021. Was the first physical meeting for our year. It was a night filled with fun and frolic, where we had our dear Rotarians showcasing their dance and talents. Valentine's Day celebration was hosted by Team Valentine. We had a couple dance, couple games, dinner and DJ. Women's Day celebration. On the occasion of International Women's Day, we honored all the women in our Midtown family. It was a surprise for all our aunts. Potluck dinner was a huge success and everyone enjoyed the whole event. Many vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes were prepared by our aunts. And we also conducted virtual event entertainment meetings. We had a few virtual games including Fantakshari, Housey and Game Night. Some of the birthday celebrations of our Midtown family members. We also had our AG visit and DG visit virtually. TRF funds by Dr. Rajesh Subhash, Dr. Murli Vettath and President Arun. Our welcome gesture to our DG Dr. Rajesh Subhash on the first day of Rotary year by outgoing President and incoming President. President Arun and First Lady Mahalakshmi visited our incoming President house to give a welcome gesture on the first day of Rotary year. Club Bulletin, Midwalks. This year we released 6 bulletins bi-monthly. Thank you. We wish our incoming team a very good luck hoping to be a part of more interesting projects.
As we come to the end of my tenure, it is only right that I acknowledge a few who have stood by me and guided me through my year as secretary. President Arun, we have known each other for many years, but only this last year did I get to see how fiercely a dedicated a person you are, and you did a fabulous job as president, and you were always there for me. I thank you for that. AG Hassan, thank you for all your inputs and expertise. Like the saying goes, behind every successful man, there is a lady. And I too am lucky, for I had the gracious First Lady, Lakshmi, on my side, who was ever ready to help and assist me through my year. Lakshmi, I wish you well and thank you for all your support. Thank you to my whole team. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy your evening. Thank you.
One of the most challenging tasks that every president has to face during his year is to maintain high levels of attendance. However, we always have a few members who diligently attend every meeting throughout the year. We would like to take this opportunity to acknowledge the members who have attained 100% attendance this year, starting off with Rotarian MPHF Dr. Jaikish Jairaj, Rotarian Dr. Shanti Ganga, Rotarian PHF Srijit Kalatil, Rotarian MPHF Advocate Narayanan DV, Rotarian MPHF Dr. Muhammad Hassan, Rotarian MPHF Dr. Joy Philip, Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, Rotarian MPHF Harshad Shah, Rotarian PHF Jayant Kumar R, Rotarian Mahalakshmi A, Rotarian MPHF Vinay Kumar PG, Rotarian PHF Jayant KN, Rotarian MPHF Balakrishna Marar NE, Rotarian MPHF Jacob George, Rotarian MPHF Sujit Suresh, Rotarian MPHF Satish Kumar P. Shah, Rotarian MPHF Ashwin E.S., Rotarian Adib Salim, Rotarian PHF Farsan Marshall.
And now, before our president steps down from his office, I request him to kindly address the gathering.
Respected District Governor Major Donor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, PDGs District Governor-elect Rotarian Pramod Nayanar, District Governor nominee Rotarian Dr. Sedhu Shivashankar, AGs, Rotarians of sister clubs, and my fellow Rotarians, aunts, aunts, and invited guests, a warm good evening to all. A year ago, I delivered my throne speech to the club. I never imagined becoming the president of the Calicut Midtown Club. During a worldwide pandemic that isolated us in our homes, put us in marks whenever we did venture out and kept our children out of school since mid-March of last year. It has caused so much financial stress in our community and the world, along with the mental anguish of not being able to shake hands, hug, kiss, or be socially close to our family and friends. But I am happy to say that the first virtually inducted president of this club prepared to take over leadership during these unusual and difficult times in the history of present generations. I would like to thank all of the members of our wonderful club and especially the board and officers for the support and hard work this last year. I am very thankful to my secretary Farzan Marshall in standing out with me in all projects and meetings, and I would not forget to mention about my first lady who was always with me in all my activities this year and helped me out with all the tech works as a club admin of our club Rotarian Mahalakshmi. Without her support, I would not be here. In addition to thanking our board, there are so many others who deserve special recognition. I will miss someone and I apologize in advance, but I did want to recognize the following: Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, Rotarian Dr. Jaikish Jairaj, Rotarian Dr. Murli Vettat, Rotarian Jayant Kumar, Rotarian Balakrishna Marar, Rotarian Vinay Kumar, Rotarian Salika, Rotarian Harshad Shah, Rotarian Muhammad Hassan, Rotarian Srijit and Rotarian Ashwin, the variety of good works we do makes it possible for each person to fulfill his or her personal passion, and we are always striving to be the greatest Rotary Club. While I learned a great deal about Rotary and our club, and value the fact you allowed me to act as your president for a year, I am looking forward to being a past president and concentrating on some of my Rotary passions. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all of the members of the Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown, aunts, Annettes and Midtown Innerville members for helping to make this is a most memorable and enjoyable year. Joining Rotary all those years ago has turned out to be one of the most rewarding activities I undertake in my personal life. If you want to take a leadership role in this club, I say do it. You get a chance to directly impact your community for the greater good. Serving as president was a most rewarding and humbling experience. My deepest thanks for the opportunity to serve this great club as president. As you all know, that this year is a proud year for our Calicut Midtown. That first district governor from our club, Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, in the new District 3204. I wish him good luck and we all with you, sir. We have so much more to do and we are in great hands moving forward as Srijit and Adib Selim take over as president and president-elect for this year. But I do feel we remain a unique and uncommon club that is succeeding with implementing extraordinary results. Before signing off, I wish Rotarian Srijit and their team 2021-2022 a good luck. I am so proud to be a Rotarian. Jai Hind, Jai Rotary.
And now, what is to follow is without doubt the most awaited one in today's function. As you all must know, it is a long-standing Midtown tradition to have the incoming president introduced to us by the ever-smiling Rotarian past president MPHF Abdul Hamid. For 29 consecutive years, he has been introducing our presidents, and not even once has failed to live up to all our expectations. Hamid Bhai has always been an inspiration to us Midtowners, be it the way he narrates his numerous anecdotes or his zest and zeal for life. May I now request Rotarian past president MPHF Abdul Hamid to introduce the president.
Mr. President, my dear friends, introducing Srijit is simple and straightforward. Just one line can give the complete picture. A line that defines not just his character and attitude, but explains his career and profession as well. I only have to say that here is a guy who radiates energy. It doesn't really matter on-grid or off-grid. It applies to both his work and life. The other way to put it would have been to vouch that the guy is always fully charged. Since you may see different connotations in this, let us just call the owner of Radiant Batteries and a proponent of solar energy as a person who spreads positive energy wherever he is and wherever he goes. If you watch him closely, he carries a poker face, a somewhat bland, inscrutable expression, but it doesn't seem to work. His inherent warmth, his infectious energy, his spirit of adventure, and his mischievous sense of humor are clearly felt through this blanket. He keeps his friends forever. His attachment is total. Let it be erstwhile roundtablers, his classmates from NSS Minchanda, Silver Hills School, Christian College, and Arts College, they are all still with him. And remember, even that Mahindra MM540 in his garage has been with him for the last 35 years. We have had occasions to receive his overwhelming hospitality. The heterogeneous guest list and the affection they impart on him speak for the genuine friendships he has cultivated and nourished over the years. He always wants to be in the frame with his friends. That's why you find him taking selfies every now and then. He inherited his passion for batteries from his father, Kalathil Balakrishnan, who graduated from Brennan College, Tallicherry, started manufacturing batteries. He had this firm, R&D Syndicate, dealing in electrical retail items in Calicut. He further expanded to Srijit and Company at Calicut and Philco Electronics in Ernakulam. Srijit was not keen on batteries at that time. His interest was in automobiles. He had even secured admission for automobile engineering in Chennai. But his father was adamant that his son's life will be connected to battery terminals. Srijit has always obeyed his dad without question. You see, it was his dad who pointed at the pretty 19-year-old daughter of the then leading civil contractor Pattangadi Dharmaratnam, doing a degree at Providence College, and asked 25-year-old Srijit to marry her. Srijit tells me he has never wanted any other girl before or after his marriage to Seema. Both Battery and Seema became his soulmates, and it has been a successful bigamy where he finally balanced his profession and family, investing equal love and passion in both. They have a lively daughter in Krishna who excels in diverse avenues from exotic baking to TV show anchoring. Married to Chandu, a chartered accountant, they are settled in Abu Dhabi. Our battery man is very much like Metro Man Sridharan in being a master of his trade. Maybe it has to do with the training he got from arguably the best possible institute in the country, CECRI, Central Electrochemical Research Institute in Karaikudi. Here, let us take a brief detour to Karaikudi. The enterprising Chettiars in this tiny village think really big. The Chettinad thali we had was lined with 24 side dishes with chicken, mutton, fish, beef and whatnot. The Chettiar house where we stayed was over 30,000 square feet in area with 25 spacious rooms. This is nothing, I believe, we were told. Chettiars have ornate bungalows of even 80,000 square feet. They maintain a scale quite different from we lesser mortals. Alagappa Chettiar was not different. He donated 300 acres and helped to build the famed Alagappa University and the state-of-the-art Center for Electrochemical Research with every single advanced facility, including metallurgy research connected to different individual metals, first in the country. Srijit got trained here in battery technology and related topics. I was also curious to know how his father became obsessed with batteries. Srijit thought our D.V. Narayanan could help me, as D.V.'s father had office next to R&D Syndicate at the Indira building at Kozhikode bus stand. D.V. was very forthcoming. He promptly told me Kalattil Balakrishnan owned 2 white cars, a Premier Padmini and Daivu Silo, bearing number plates KRD 2022 and KEZ 888 respectively. I left it at that. Sticking to Srijit's battery connection, I must mention his overseas venture. He had to step back after being president-elect a couple of years ago because of the assignment in Qatar. He helped to set up a major unit for a local Arab group, having appointed as their technical advisor involved in international negotiations. It has started going on production, but now he had to keep away because of travel restrictions imposed due to COVID. We all know that he has the right temperament to carry people with him, and the former shuttle champion carries that sportsman spirit as well. We are also sure of his sincerity and dedication. And I should tell you that his leadership and organizational skills are equally fine-tuned. He was super active president of Rotary Club of Calicut. In Roundtable, his involvement was total, and he was chosen as the best projects convener with 17 projects credited to him. He was active in JCs as well. He has held various posts in professional associations. He is director of Srikandeshwara Temple. He has proved his mettle equally well at the helms of different organizations. In Midtown, he was the able secretary when Rajesh Subhash was president in a great Rotary year. But I feel he will need a large canvas to operate. He will suffocate within Zoom platforms. He is a fun and party person, and along with service projects, he will be looking at fellowship and outdoor activities. Hope COVID makes an exit soon for Srijit and all of us. Srijit Kalattil Irangumbol നമുക്ക് സഹർഷം സ്വാഗതം ചെയ്യാം. Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome Srijit Kalattil Balakrishnan, who comes fully charged to light up our days as the Calicut Midtown President for 2021-2022. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's finally time for the most important item on the agenda this evening, the installation of our new president. Rotarian PHF Arun KS, may I kindly request you to do the honors. Also requesting Rotarian Mahalakshmi Arun and the incoming First Lady Seema Srijit to come forward.
I'm installing Rotarian Srijit as a president of Rotary Club of Calicut midterm 21-22. This is your club charter. This gavel give you authority as a president of this club.
The President will now install his team of office bearers, starting with Rotarian PHF Arun KS as the immediate past President.
I'm installing Rotarian Arun as immediate past President.
President-elect Rotarian PHF Adib Salim.
I install Rotarian PHF Adib Salim as President-elect.
Secretary Rotarian PHF Dr. Shanti Ganga.
I am installing Dr. Shanti Ganga as my secretary.
Treasurer Rotarian MPHF Vinay Kumar PG.
I am installing Rotarian PG Vinay Kumar as my treasurer.
President nominee Rotarian MPHF Vinod Nair. Vice President Rotarian past President MPHF Dr. Joy Philip. Sergeant at Arms Rotarian past President MPHF Dr. Mohammad Hassan. Junior Sergeant of Arms Rotarian past President PHF Jayant KN. Joint Secretary Rotarian PHF Dr. Joseph K. Thomas. Executive Secretary Rotarian past President MPHF Dr. Jaikish Jairaj.
Membership Chair, Rotarian past President MPHF Sujit Suresh. Foundation Chair, Rotarian MPHF Satish Kumar Shah. Service Chair, Rotarian past President MPHF Balakrishna Marag. Club Admin, Rotarian PHF Adib Salim. Polio, Rotarian PHF Dr. Murali Vattat. Grants, Rotarian past President MPHF CA Ashwin Simon. Raila, Rotarian PHF Srijesh KV. Rotaract, Rotarian past President MPHF Dr. Muhammad Hassan. Interact, Rotarian PHF KC Jamshed. WINS, Rotarian PHF Vijay TK. Literacy, Rotarian MPHF Jacob George. Health Preventive, Rotarian past President PHF Dr. Subhash Malia. Health Curative, Rotarian PHF Dr. Krishna Kumar. Vocational Services, Rotarian past President MPHF Lieutenant Colonel PKPV Panikar. International Service, Rotarian past President PHF Abdul Hamid. District Priorities, Rotarian past President MPHF Harshad Shah. ROPE, Rotarian past President MPHF Advocate DV Narayanan. RCare, Rotarian past President PHF P. Jayakrishnan. Club Event, Rotarian past President Major Donna R.P. Sali. Club Trainer, Rotarian past President PHF Advocate Shahir Singh. Club Bulletin, Rotarian past President PHF Arun KS. Public Image, Rotarian PHF Jayant Kumar.
Now I request Rotarian PHF Arun KS to administer the oath to the newly installed President, Rotarian PHF Srijit K.
Please raise your right hand for the oath. I,
Srijit KB,
do solemnly pledge
do solemnly pledge
that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown,
the office of the President of the Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown,
and that I will, to the best of my ability, support the District Governor and Rotary International, and that I will uphold the Constitution and bylaws of this club.
That brings us to the end of the installation of the new office bearers, and now here we have a full team for the year 2021-2022. I now request the new President, Rotarian PHF Srijit, to formally accept the presidentship.
Dear fellow Rotarians, dignitaries on and off the dais, guests and friends. At the outset, let me thank all of you for the trust you have reposed in me to be your president, to lead your club. It gives me immense pleasure and a sense of gratitude to accept the office of president of this wonderful club. I know to be a good president requires a lot of tact and understanding and a lot of personal sacrifice. Friends, I fully accept the responsibilities bestowed on me. Hope with the help of the Almighty, all my fellow Rotarians, I will be able to discharge the responsibilities entrusted to me to the best of my ability. This is indeed an extremely precious and special moment for me. I take this opportunity to congratulate Rotarian Arun and his great support, Rotarian Mahalakshmi, Secretary Rotarian Farsan and his team for a wonderful tenure. I remember with gratitude the example my predecessors have set. It is a joy to continue their remarkable work. Dear friends, today, when I take over the reins of this prestigious club, I need the blessing of Almighty, of my family, my friends in Rotary, and my well-wishers. Let us work together. Serve to change lives. Serve to care and share is my motto. May the Almighty help me to fulfill my dreams. Thank you.
As we all know, membership development is a key area in Rotary movement, and it is the quality and the commitment of the members which takes the movement forward. Moreover, this year, the RI President Shekha Mehta is keen on inducting more women into Rotary. With this in mind, our new president and his team is inducting two wonderful ladies into the Rotary fold. Zarina Hamid, Education at St. Joseph's Anglo-Indian Girls High School and Providence College. Social activities and posts held. Active in the Rotaract Club of Calicut East. She was the Charter Vice President of Midtown Inner Wheel, and she was the President of the Inner Wheel 3 times in a row. She was the Inner Wheel District Editor as well. She was active in JCs and was in fact the Kerala State President of JC Rates. She was an honorary member of Calicut Roundtable and was also the President of the Resident Association of Skyline Canopy Apartments. Married to Rotarian Charter Secretary Abdul Hamid, she is blessed with 2 daughters. Shahana from NEFT is a fashion designer working from Bangalore. Bhavna from SEPT Ahmedabad is an architect settled in Goa. She is married to Harsh Patel, who is also an architect, and they have a 10-year-old son, Orion. Dr. Dishma Rajesh, daughter of Rotarian Dr. T.K. Jayaraj and Kumari Jayaraj. Did her schooling at St. Joseph's Anglo-Indian Girls High School and later at Providence College. She did her MBBS from D.Y. Patil Medical College, Maharashtra, and post-graduation in pathology from Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore, and is currently Associate Professor at Malabar Medical College and Consultant Pathologist at PVS Hospital, Calicut. She is married to our DG, Major Donna Dr. Rajesh Subhash. They are blessed with 2 kids. Son Madhav is doing his 2nd year MBBS at the Armed Force Medical College, Pune. Daughter Triampaka is in her 12th, aspiring to follow her parents' profession. Dr. Dishma is a passionate dancer and enjoys arts and crafts, and the DG claims that she is the sole reason for his success. Now, may I request the Assistant Governor, Rotarian PHF Mahroof Manalodi, to induct the new members into the Rotary fold.
Mr. President, my dearest gift, Rotarian Srijit, Secretary Dr. Shanti Ganga, dignitaries on and off this virtual platform, fellow Rotarians, aunts, Annettes, ladies and gentlemen. It is with distinct pleasure to induct Mrs. Zarina and Dr. Dishma Rajesh into Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown. I think it will be a rare privilege for me as an AG to induct the First Lady of our newly formed District 3204. Becoming a new member in any organization is a time for celebration and commitment, and becoming a Rotarian is a more significant matter. It signals Rotary Club of Midtown's confidence in you as a leader among leaders, and your fellow members will look you to be a trusted colleague. Rotary Calicut Midtown will involve all of their members in the following services, which you must be a part of it. The important one is club service, that is to attend the weekly meetings physically or virtually, to develop a bond with other Rotarians and their families, and to pay your dues on time. The second one is community service. By doing good to the community through the 7 areas of focus which your mentor will be teaching you. The Rotary Foundation, realizing that in the 21st century, the world is our community and we need to contribute for a better tomorrow. As an assistant governor, I need to tell you that Rotary is not a political organization, not a charitable organization, and is not a religious organization. Rotary is a service organization. Dr. Dishma and Madam Zarina, you both have been approved for membership by the Board of Directors of Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown. We are delighted to welcome you officially and publicly to this club. We now ask that you publicly confirm your desire to belong to this club by responding to these questions. If you do, respond by saying, I do. Please raise your hand. Do you pledge your personal diligence in seeking the welfare of this club, abiding by its rules, striving to meet its expectation and participating in its projects of Rotary Calicut Midtown? Along with your colleagues in this club, will you honor and uphold the name, dignity and rules of Rotary International? Thank you, and you may put your hands down. Now, on behalf of Rotary International President Shekhar Mehta and District Governor of 3204, Rotarian Rajesh Subhash and the members of the Rotary Calicut Midtown, it gives me great deal of pleasure to induct you as a new members of the Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown. Starting today, you will be known as Rotarian Dr. Dishma and Rotarian Zarina. You are becoming an individual that stands for Rotary's timeless principles that are expressed in the 4-way test, the object of Rotary, and of course, our motto, service above self. These are not merely slogans, but truths of human interaction and respect for each other. Henceforth, people will judge us by what you do. I request the member, our respected DG itself, please come and pin the new members. Welcome to the world of Rotary. Now, since you have pinned, wear this always, and with pride, and always remember, when you shake the hand of one Rotarian, you are within reach of 1.2 million more Rotarians globally. I request all gathered here to welcome Rotarian Dr. Dishma Rajesh and Rotarian Zarina by giving a standing ovation to make them feel proud in becoming a Rotarian of Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown. Thank you, and Jai Rotary.
Aster Rotary Health Wen is a wonderful humanitarian project conceived by Rotarian MD Dr. Rajesh Subhash, Governor RI District 3204, a project partnering with all Rotary Clubs of Calicut 3204, an Aster comprising of a medical van with well-equipped facilities and a qualified medical team rendering services like primary medical screening and management, COVID-19 awareness and screening, first aid and emergency care, and diagnostic services. This district project is to be continued for a minimum of 7 years. A few words regarding the man behind this project. The first governor from Midtown in 42 years and the charter governor of the new district 3204. He has spearheaded many path-breaking projects. He was instrumental in installing the life-saving defibrillator at Calicut railway station and introducing slow farming in the sub-jail. He took the lead in responding to tsunami in Chennai and floods in Kerala in transporting truckloads of essentials. He initiated the Aster Rotary Rebuilding Kerala that led to the construction of 350 houses. And he was the chairman for the District Assembly Gurukulam and co-chairman for the District Conference Kalb, both conducted meticulously. Just last year, he was the brain and force in setting up India's first negative pressure ICU in government sector with the participation of all Rotary clubs in the city. And his first project, officially being the governor, was providing piped-in oxygen to every bed in Beach Hospital addressing the COVID patients. Rotary Calicut Midtown is handing over its contribution of 1,04,000 towards this 40 lakh project, requesting our DG to kindly accept the check from our President.
Newly installed President Rotarian Srijit KB, Secretary Shanti Ganga, District Trainer PDG Darice Marshall, PDG Dr. CM Abubakar, District Advisor PDG Sridharan Nambiar, the galaxy of PDGs on the virtual platform, DGE Pramod Nainar, DGN Dr. Sethu Shivashankar, AG Rotarian Meru Manalodi, legacy creators, legacy makers, my dear Rotarians, aunts, Annets of my home club, Rotary Calicut Midtown, Rotarians of the sister clubs, ladies and gentlemen. Srijit and the First Lady, Seema, or also known as Bunny, are very dear to me, as he was my club secretary when I was the club president. He is the son of the soil, a true Kozhikkodan, and has that ability to get along with all with his traditional Kozhikkodan simplicity and mannerisms. The Aster Rotary Health Van is an ambitious district-level project during its charter year, where Rotary 3204 is bearing the capex, that is the capital expense of 40 lakhs. It is being raised through the contribution of all the Rotarians paying 2,000 rupees, and Aster will bear the OPEX for the next 7 to 8 years. This is going to be a permanent project of our district, where the participating clubs, those with less than 20 members, will get this vehicle once a year. Those with 21 to 40 members will get it twice a year. Those with 41 to 60 members will get it thrice a year. And those with more than 60 members will get it 4 times a year, and that too for the next 7 to 8 years. I am thrilled to receive this check of rupees 1,04,000 from your 52 members. And I'm happy to share that Rotary Calicut Midtown is the first club to achieve this goal. And I hope you raise more to bring in more members and be eligible for more camps. Srijit and Shanti, I'm looking forward to have many more firsts from the two of you with the support of all the members of Rotary Calicut Midtown. Wishing you all the very best. Jai Hind and Jai Rotary.
The club is providing financial aid of rupees 50,000 to Miss Shaija, a lady from an economically challenged background whose situation has been further incapacitated by the untimely death of her husband. This aid is primarily meant in helping towards the construction of a house. Inviting PDG Major Donor Darius Marshall, also our district trainer, as well as a versatile speaker par excellence, to inaugurate the same and felicitate.
Newly installed President Srijit, Secretary Shanti, District Governor Rajesh, past and future governors, fellow Rotarians, ladies and gentlemen. The other day, someone asked me, what business are you doing in this challenging lockdown period? I said, import and export business. He said, how? I replied, import messages from one group and export to another group. Simple, no money involved. I must congratulate the outgoing President Arun and Secretary Farzan for doing an excellent job in running this Governors Club during difficult times. Behind every successful man, there is a woman, and this is none other than Lakshmi, who has been the secret of her success. Thank you, Lakshmi. President Srijit, you need power only when you want to do something harmful. Otherwise, love is enough to get everything done. A wrong decision can double your experience, and a correct decision can double your confidence. Wishing you and your team all the very best. Thank you. And don't forget to increase your membership and also to give sufficient money to Rotary Foundation. I have very great pleasure in handing over 50,000 to Shaija, who is constructing a house because her husband is no more. And this is a project of the incoming President, Srijit. It should be of great use to this lady who is working in PBS Hospital. Thank you.
In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, students all over the world have been forced to shift to a virtual model of schooling. While the transition has been quite smooth for the privileged ones, the underprivileged students are in a pitfall, majorly because of lack of access to internet services and electronic devices. To help in bridging this digital divide, Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown is donating smartphones to 8 girls of Chevayur Government School. The same is being handed over to the Nodal Officer, Mr. Subair, inviting PDG Major Donor Dr. C.M. Abubakar to do the honors and felicitate.
The newly installed President, Rotarian Srijit, the outgoing President, Rotarian Arun, our most esteemed District Governor of the Year, Rotarian Rajesh Subhash, other dignitaries on the dais and in the audience, Rotarians and its ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely happy to be part of the installation of the Rotary Club of Midtown this year. You all know that this is a special year. You are working in spite of all limitations and the pandemic of COVID. In spite of that, I find that Rotary Midtown had been very active and they were doing a lot of projects last year under the leadership of Rotarian Arun. He has done a lot of projects in connection with the COVID pandemic, giving educational aids, then WASH project, and many other projects which are useful to the community. And that is what our outgoing RA President said, Rotary opens opportunities. And he has grabbed all the opportunities and done community service projects. Let me congratulate him and his team for the wonderful project they has done in spite of the limitations of COVID last year. Now the incoming President who is installed now, Rotarian Srijit, a very dynamic and successful businessman who is giving energy to the community dealing with batteries. He is taking over as another dynamic President of the Rotary Club of Midtown. I am really proud as the PDG of Calicut East. Calicut Midtown was sponsored by my club Calicut East, and it was long overdue that they didn't have a leader in the district level. But this year, all together, Arun, Ashwin and Srijit, everybody has brought a very potential and dynamic governor, Dr. Rajesh Subhash, as the governor of the new district 3204. I wish him all the best, and I also, of course, expect Srijit will be doing a lot of projects this year because he has plans to help poor people, because the theme of the year is serve to change lives. Yes, lives have been already changed because of the COVID. Many have become jobless, many have become without any support, and many cannot go to their workplace, to school or anywhere. So life has already changed. Now we have to restore the life of the people who has been suffering from COVID. So the theme of the year is very apt: serve to change lives, or we can modify to restore life. And I'm sure Srijit will have a lot of plans to do many things, including house construction, giving educational aids like tabs and laptops, etc. to children, and also many other projects which are useful to the community and help them to restore the life prior to the stage of COVID. So I wish him all the best. He has got a dynamic team, and Midtown is very famous for the teamwork. Anything and everything, they will do it as a team, and that is the success of Midtown Rotary. And this year, because of the presence of a dynamic Rotary governor also, we are actually expecting wonders to happen in Calicut Midtown. I wish him all the best. Thank you very much. I am extremely happy to execute the project of Srijit, giving a tab for the 8th standard students of his school. Subair Master is here to receive it. I congratulate our President Srijit, and also for the opportunity, Subair Master also. As a last advice, I would like to say the words of St. Francis of Assisi: Srijit, do what is assigned, then do what is possible. Then you will see wonders are happening. I hope wonders will happen this year.
Now is the release of Midbox Club Bulletin. Request the editor, Rotarian Past President PHF Arun, to hand over the copy of the bulletin to PDG Major Donna Sridharan Nambia for releasing it, and for the PDG to kindly felicitate
the newly installed President Rotarian Srijit, Secretary Dr. Shanti Ganga, District Governor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, past district governors, assistant governors, presidents and secretaries from neighboring clubs, members from Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown. Let me congratulate the newly installed President Rotarian, very young and dynamic, handsome Rotarian Srijit, and Secretary Shanti Ganga and team of office bearers for this current Rotary year 2021-22. I also congratulate the outgoing President Rotarian Varun. Is my close friend. I have been associating with him from 2000 onwards. I must congratulate him because during COVID period, he has done a lot of projects. He is a very quiet president, quiet and silent president, and he has done a lot of good works to our community and society. I must congratulate this Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown for taking initiative for our mega projects in our district, in Medical College, Rotary COVID ICU, and Oxygen for All. These two mega projects, it was initiated by the Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown under the leadership of our current district governor, Dr. Rajesh Subhash. And we are expecting one more mega project is very soon in our district, that in association with the Asha MIMS Health Checkup Van. Our Rotary International President Shekhar Mehta's dream project that each member bring one member to our district, our Rotary. This is possible only because of all our Rotarians should work very actively and make it that each one bring one in our Rotary fold. In a similar way, our district governor, Dr. Rajesh Subhash, also is planning for adding 1,000 new members in our new district, RA District 3204. This teamwork for all the clubs in our district to make it that we are adding 1,000 new members in this district with 25 new clubs in our district for this current Rotary year. It shows that it is a huge responsibility to our Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown to support our district governor and to support our Rotary district for making our district a very strong district in the first year itself. By the end of this Rotary year, we all should be proud of that. Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown has supported our district and district governor to take our district into greater heights. Thanks for giving this opportunity to me to felicitate this function. I wish all the best to Rotarian President Srijit and Secretary Dr. Shanti Ganga for this current Rotary year. Thanks. I wish you all the best. It is with great pleasure I release this Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown bi-monthly magazine Midwalks, and wish to hand over this copy to our newly installed president. And I also appreciate the efforts put by bulletin editor for bringing out a very nice and very beautiful, attractive, informative bulletin Midwalks. Thank you.
Requesting DG and Rotarian PHF Dr. Sethu Shivshankar to release the year planner and felicitate.
No president has been a leader in tougher times like the presidents of 2021. Immediate past President Rotarian Arun did his level best to keep the Rotary wheel rolling. Congratulations Rotarian Arun and Team 2021 for the good work you have done. Serve to change lives is what we are going to do for another 1 year. Rotary World has no boundaries when it provides opportunities to serve. We learned through the pandemic that the world and the humanity needs Rotary more than ever before. President Rotarian Srijit, you and your team have the magic, have the power to change lives. The duty assigned on me is to release the year planner. Planning is very much important. You need to plan your projects, your meetings very well in advance. Take the advice of your members, involve them. Definitely, year will be a memorable one. Best wishes to you all. There is a saying, we live only once. No, I changed that one. We die only once. We live every day. Thank you, J Rotary. With all your permission, I am releasing the year planner 21-22.
Further felicitations by Rotarian Dr. Nasser Youssef, representing all the Rotary Clubs of Calicut.
President, Rotarian PHF Srijit, District Governor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, and my dear friends. I am Dr. Nasser Youssef, thoracic surgeon, President of Rotary Club Calicut. We have known, that's my wife, Nargis, and I have known Srijit and Seema, along with the late father, Mr. Balakrishnan, and mother Sri Bala for over a quarter of a century. He is as dynamic as he's tall, and further, his achievements are well evidenced by the business he runs, Radiant Batteries. I'm certain he shall take Rotary Calicut Midtown to greater heights and glory. As we had promised, Calicut Rotary and Midtown will conduct joint projects together. Remember, Srijit, we are here with you as long as you don't jump off a plane with only one parachute. Cheers and good luck.
Sarah Thomas, President, Inner Wheel Club of Calicut Midtown.
Good evening, everyone. Caring for and serving others is the best way to live our lives, as it changes everything around us. Today, as I stand before you, I feel honored to wish Srijit and his team all the very best on behalf of the Inner Wheel Club of Calicut Midtown. Let your strong arm as President of Rotary Club of Calicut Midtown help you to carry out many projects to make our community, our country, and the world a better place to live. As it is rightly said, every day Let's do something that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow as we live in an uncertain tomorrow, COVID pandemic hovering amongst us. We are in this together and we'll get through this together. Thank you and all the very best to Srijit and his team.
Hey Srijit, congratulations on taking up the president for midterm Rotary. Greetings and all the best from Chairperson, Calicut Lady Circle 69. Be a rock star as usual and rock your year. Any help and we are right there just for you. Thank you. Bye.
Hi, I'm Shreyans Kumar. I'm wishing Srijit all the very best. He's a good friend of mine. I know him for many years. He's a good entrepreneur, and I'm sure that he'll lead Calicut Rotary in an exemplary manner. I wish him on this day when he's getting installed as the president of Calicut Midtown Rotary Club. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Moidu, Chairman 41 Club of India 101 Calicut. Srijit is my secretary for this year. He has been a very good friend and a wonderful person. On this day, when he is taking over the presidentship of Rotary Club of Midtown, I wish him all the success. I am sure this is going to be a wonderful and a successful year for the Calicut Midtown Rotary. Thank you.
Hello everybody. My name is Sibi Raj and I am the Charter Chairman of the 41er Club 259, an association of past roundtablers of Calicut. It was indeed my privilege to have been in the roundtable along with Srijit, and I would like to wish him all the best as he takes over the post of president at the Rotary Calicut Midtown. Srijit is a rare combination of hard work, dedication, and a great sense of humor, and I treasure every moment that I've spent with him. He has taught me a lot and continues to inspire me. I'm sure he would do an excellent job as president of Rotary Calicut Midtown too and bring out the best in all of you. My best wishes, Srijit, and many congratulations to you and your team. Thank you.
Hello, Srijit. I'm so happy to know that you're going to be the president of one of the most prestigious Rotaries in Calicut, the Rotary Midtown. I was also very fortunate to be a part of this wonderful club for a few years. Now, knowing you for so long, I know of your excellent leadership qualities and I know how committed and dedicated you are towards whatever you take up. I know you will do really well and take this club to much greater heights. I wish you all the very best and God bless you.
All India Malayali Association ഒരു മെമ്പർ കൂടിയായ അങ്ങ് റോട്ടറി മിഡ്ടൗണിൻ്റെ സാരഥിപദം ഏറ്റെടുക്കുന്നതിൽ അറിഞ്ഞതിൽ അതീവ സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്. ഓൾ ഇന്ത്യ മലയാളി അസോസിയേഷൻ്റെ കേരള ഘടകത്തിൻ്റെ പ്രസിഡൻ്റ് എന്ന നിലയിൽ എല്ലാവിധ ഭാവങ്ങളും നേരുന്നു. താങ്കളുടെ ഈ ഉദ്യമത്തിൽ ഈ കോവിഡിൻ്റെ കാലഘട്ടത്തിൽ ആ ലീഡർഷിപ്പിന് ഏറെ മഹത്തരമായ ജോലികൾ ചെയ്യാനുണ്ട്. അതിനാൽ ധൈര്യമായി മുന്നോട്ട് പോവുക. ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും പ്രാർത്ഥനയും സഹായ സഹകരണങ്ങളും നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെയുണ്ട്. All the best. Jai Hind.
Hi everyone. I am Paul Verghese, Area 1 Vice Chairman of 41 Clubs of India. It's wonderful to see that one of our most active 41er and dear friend Srijit is taking over as the President of Rotary Midtown. He is also the Secretary of our 41 Club 101. I am sure that Rotary Midtown is going to have a great year under the leadership of Srijit. On behalf of all the 41ers of Area 1, I would like to congratulate Srijit and his new team. All the best and wish them a great year in office.
Hi friends, I'm very happy to know that Srijit, my dear friend, is going to be the incoming president of the Rotary Midtown. I've known Srijit from my roundtabling days and I'm very convinced about his leadership abilities. And he's a very good human being as well. And with Rotarian Rajesh Subhash as the district governor, I'm sure Srijit will take Rotary Club of Midtown to the next level. Here's wishing Srijit all the best. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen, before the curtain falls on this evening's ceremony, may I request the Secretary Rotarian Shanti Ganga to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I deem it a great honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Before stepping into the formal thank you note, let me take a minute. It is more than a privilege to be the secretary of one of the best Rotary clubs with a vibrant and dedicated history. But I am deeply touched and feel very proud to become the secretary during the year of our home club governor, the fantabulous major donor, Dr. Rajesh Subhash. Another wonderful circumstance is the presidency of Rotarian Srijit, who is a real leader with an amazing sense of humor. Altogether, we are looking forward to a glorious year full of projects, meetings, family dinners, and entertainment. Coming back to my responsibility, it gives me immense pleasure to propose the vote of thanks to this august gathering here. I thank our President, Rotarian Srijit, who will be leading us in the year 2021-2022. I thank the first governor of 3204, Rotarian Major Donor Dr. Rajesh Subhash, for his thoughtful insights on the projects and his words of encouragement. I extend my gratitude to the PDG, Major Donor Rotarian Darius Marshall, and PDG Rotarian CM Abubakar for formally handing over our project and felicitation. My sincere thanks to the PDG Rotarian Sridharan Nambiar for releasing our club magazine Midvox and for the felicitation. Thank you DGE Rotarian Pramod Nayanar for his presence. I am grateful to thank the District Governor nominee, Rotarian Dr. Sethu Shivashankaran, for releasing the year planner and for the kind words. Thank you AG Rotarian Mehroof Manalodi for taking time to induct the two beautiful and strong ladies into our club. I extend my gratitude to all other PDGs and AGs who have blessed us with their presence. I thank the Innerville President for the felicitation and other renowned persons from other clubs for taking their time and felicitating us. I extend my heartfelt thanks to one and all who have helped to make this installation function a grand success. A very special gratitude to our dear Rotarian Hamid for the wonderful introduction. I have to specifically mention the names of our dear MCs and Dr. Arya and Anne Shreya for conducting this program fabulously. I thank all the distinguished invitees present here who have accepted our invitation and joined us. Last but not the least, I thank my fellow Midtown Rotarians, Anns and Annettes for your presence and for making this function a resounding success. Finally, I leave you with this inspiring quote by Martin Luther King Jr. If you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward. J. Rotary.
We thank our gorgeous MCs and Dr. Arya and Shreya Adib. This installation meeting is hereby adjourned.